Hi guys, what's up? Well, just consider an idea. Small chats, big values. Big chats and no values at all. What would you consider? Well, yes, of course, small chats, big values, right? So today's topic is somewhat related to those values. Well, the topic for today is legacies and memories. Well, each one of us gets some legacies from our ancestors, some objects or some articles related to those memories that are associated in our mind and hearts. We tend to associate these memories to some objects or articles that were left behind by our ancestors as memories to us. And we don't want to lose them. They may be in the form of small letters, a dress, a wallet, a watch, an electronic item which is not working, but still we keep it safely because of the values associated to it of our ancestors, their blessings, their love and wishes that we cherish for lifelong. So these memories in the form of some objects are of great worth to us. So similarly, I do wanted to ask you that which is that object or article that is the most precious for you guys in your life, which you have kept it as your memories, the worthwhile memories. It may be anything. It may be a book, which is a symbol of wisdom. It may be a letter, in which memories are flooding. It may be a statue. It may be a metal work. It may be an art. It may be a device. Anything which was given to you in the form of memories. So I just want you to comment in the comment section that which is that thing that you associate to when you want to remember something from the past that is most precious to you. The memories you want to rewind when you are in solitude. You be with that object or thing because it is of great value to you. So which is that thing? Please do comment in the comment section and tell me that which different kind of objects you associate with in the form of your memories. Thank you.